Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Designing the perfect laundry room floor plan. Have you ever imagined what your perfect laundry room design would look like but struggled to develop the best plan? Planning an aesthetically pleasing yet functionally efficient laundry room that stands out from all the rest could be a challenging feat. But with the help of a laundry room remodeling service, you can create and implement a great plan that matches your imagination, needs, and lifestyle. This podcast will explore how to turn those tiny square feet into something unique while staying within budget without hassle or inconvenience, because we know getting things done right matters most. With the right approach, it is possible to create a beautiful laundry room that is both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. We will explore the critical elements of designing the perfect laundry room floor plan to help you create your dream laundry space. Factors to consider when creating a laundry room floor plan. There are various factors to consider while developing the ideal laundry room floor plan. Everything from the room's size and design to the appliances, storage space available, lighting, and ventilation must be considered. Available space and layout. If you have a large laundry room space, you can construct different zones, such as washing clothes and drying zones. This will help ensure that each task has its dedicated area. Consider having adequate space between cabinets and walls so the door can open and close freely. Additionally, considering where to install laundry machines like washing machines and dryers, consider any plumbing pipes or electrical outlets. While designing the ideal plan for laundry rooms, consider what duties will be performed in the space and how to utilize the existing space effectively. Ensuring all objects are placed in locations that will not restrict movement or visibility in the room can help ensure a comfortable experience each time you do laundry. Type of appliances and their placement. After you've assessed the available space and layout for your laundry room floor design, think about what kind of appliances and furnishings will function best in the space. There are several solutions available depending on your demands and budget. In your laundry room, washers and dryers are an obvious and necessary choice. Depending on the size of the space, you should include smaller furnishings like a laundry room sink or countertop for folding clothes. While organizing appliances and furnishings in your laundry room, remember that all things should be placed in areas that do not obstruct movement or vision. Counters and shelves should be placed to not obscure views or walkways. Furthermore, keep items like drying racks on one side of the room so they only take up less space. Storage needs and solutions. While designing your laundry room floor plan, think about how you'll store all of the necessary materials and cleaning items. After all, a cluttered environment can quickly become inefficient. Fortunately, many storage alternatives are available to help keep your laundry room clean and neat. To start, search for shelving or cabinets that may be put on walls or built into the floor plan. This will not only offer storage space but will also give the room a more professional appearance. You can also install hanging racks or rods to keep things like mops and brooms off the ground. You may maximize space usage in your laundry room by utilizing vertical and horizontal storage solutions. Repurposing furniture from other rooms in the house to serve as additional storage space for laundry materials is another innovative approach. An old dresser or side table can be quickly transformed into a temporary hamper or cabinet for folded clothing and linens. There are also many little caddies and baskets that are ideal for storing detergents and other odd products that might otherwise clutter countertops or shelves. Whichever approach you choose, ensure it fits your overall design strategy. Lighting and ventilation. Lighting and ventilation are crucial considerations when designing the ideal laundry room floor plan. These features not only make the area more functional, but they can also serve to create an inviting ambience. The first step is to select a lighting design that is both practical and appealing. Natural light is ideal for any laundry room, so include as many windows or skylights as possible in your design. If not, consider adding multiple recessed lights or wall sconces to ensure adequate lighting when washing laundry. Adequate ventilation is also required to keep the air in your laundry room fresh and free of moisture and odors. An exhaust fan or window unit should work. Ensure it's powerful enough to remove moisture from the space while remaining quiet. With proper lighting and ventilation, you can create a comfortable and efficient washing experience for yourself and your family. How to redesign my laundry room. It can be challenging to redesign a laundry room, but it doesn't have to be. You can build a room that fits all your needs while looking amazing with the correct planning and creative thought. Here are some tips to get you started. Maximizing available space. While designing a laundry room, making the most of the available space is essential. Various methods exist, such as adding multifunctional furniture or getting creative with wall storage. To start, evaluate the pieces of furniture you will require and how they will serve different functions. An ottoman may provide sitting as well as storage space for laundry items. Similarly, a foldable table can be an ironing board during the week and a place to fold clothes on weekends. When it comes to wall storage, think beyond the box. To add more storage space, hang baskets or shelves in different sections of your laundry room. Consider installing open shelving to access essentials like detergent and fabric softener conveniently. Hanging a pegboard is another fantastic way to keep objects organized and off the floor to ensure it's properly secured. Whatever storage options you choose, make sure to measure the area ahead so that everything fits precisely. Remember that organizing does not have to be dull. Try adding colored bins or patterned baskets for a fun touch. Creating a dedicated folding area. After you've added functional storage solutions, it's time to set up a designated folding space. This is a vital step since it will provide an area for sorting and folding garments. Begin by selecting a surface that complements your laundry room plan. If you have the space, choose a durable table or countertop that can also serve as extra storage space. If space is limited, try including a wall-mounted folding station or a pull-out ironing board. Be sure the items you purchase are adjustable and can meet a variety of purposes. Remember to include hooks or shelves nearby to quickly store laundry supplies such as detergents, fabric softeners, and other goods. Now that your laundry room has plenty of storage and a specific folding area, all that remains is to make sure everything has a place. Label drawers and bins so everyone in the family knows where to put their clean clothes. You may also want to add decorative accents, such as colored carpets or plants, to give the area some life and personality. Choosing the right flooring and finishes. The final step in creating the ideal laundry room floor plan is to select the appropriate flooring and finishes. Choosing materials that can withstand the wear and tear of everyday laundry is essential. Tile, laminate, or vinyl plank are ideal for areas near washers and dryers where spills are likely. When it comes to the walls, choose moisture-resistant paint or wall coverings. Also, add some extra accessories, such as wall hooks or shelving, to create a space for air-drying clothing or hanging freshly pressed goods. Consider any potential concerns associated with lint buildup on surfaces around the washer and dryer when you choose your finishes. To avoid this issue, install exhaust fans near these appliances if possible. Your laundry room may be attractive and functional with the right finishing touches. Conclusion. Designing a functional yet aesthetically pleasing laundry room floor plan requires careful consideration of various factors such as space availability, appliance location, storage requirements, lighting, and ventilation can assist in creating a laundry room that satisfies both practical and design goals. However, designing the perfect laundry room floor plan requires careful planning, attention to detail, and professional expertise. This is where Phoenix Home Remodeling comes in. Our years of experience and exceptional skills allow us to create the perfect laundry room floor plan that meets your unique needs and preferences. With our exceptional services, you can be sure of getting the laundry room of your dreams. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.